Hey there, future full-stack developers, welcome back to my channel Refine Education, the place where we turn coding dreams into reality. In today's video, we're going to lay out the ultimate roadmap to guide you on your journey to becoming a successful full-stack developer, whether you're a beginner or already have some coding experience. This roadmap will help you navigate the vast world of full-stack development, so grab your favorite coding snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. 1. Introduction. Slide 1. Introduction. Briefly introduce the concept of full-stack development. Highlight the importance of mastering both front-end and back-end technologies. 2. Prerequisites. Programming languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript basics. Version control, Git and GitHub, basic understanding of web development concepts. 3. Front-end development, learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in depth. Master a front-end framework e.g. React, Angular, or Vue.js. Explore responsive design and CSS preprocessors e.g. Sass or less. 4. Back-end development. Choose a back-end language e.g. Node.js, Python, Ruby, Java, or PHP. Learn a back-end framework e.g. Express.js, Django, Ruby on Rails, Spring Boot, or Laravel. Understand server-side architecture and databases SQL or NoSQL. 5. Databases. Learn about databases, SQLEG, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and NoSQLEG. MonGOD. Understand database design, normalization, and indexing. 6. Application programming interfaces. Master RESTful API design principles. Explore GraphQL as an alternative. Learn how to consume apps in your applications. 7. Version control and collaboration. Deepen your understanding of Git and GitHub. Learn branching strategies and collaborative workflows. 8. Deployment and hosting. Understand deployment processes. Explore cloud platforms e.g. Oz, Azure, or Heroku. Learn containerization with Docker. 9. DevOps and CI/CD. Introduction to DevOps principles. Implement continuous integration and continuous deployment CI/CD pipelines. 10. Security. Familiarize yourself with web security best practices. Understand common security vulnerabilities and how to mitigate them. 11. Testing. Learn different types of testing unit. Integration in Toned. Implement testing frameworks e.g. Jest, Mocha, or Selenium. 12. Advanced topics. Explore advanced front-end and back-end concepts. Specialize in areas like microservices, serverless architecture, or container orchestration Kubernetes. 13. Soft skills. Develop effective communication skills. Practice problem solving and critical thinking. Collaborate with others and seek feedback. 14. Build a portfolio. Showcase your projects on GitHub. Create a personal website to highlight your skills and projects. 15. Continuous learning. Stay updated with industry trends, join developer communities, and attend conferences. Conclusion. There you have it, the ultimate roadmap to becoming a successful full-stack developer. Remember, it's a journey that requires dedication, continuous learning, and a passion for coding. If you found this roadmap helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. Subscribe for more content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.